At Community Partnership of the Ozarks, or CPO, we're proud to call Springfield home. We recognize this is a robust community propelled by hard work and compassion. We measure success through impact and pride ourselves on community collaboration. We truly believe that together we achieve more. Our team is dedicated to keeping children, families, and community members safe and healthy. We work hard to make sure children are kindergarten ready and succeeding in school. We want all youth to enjoy productive lives. And we're committed to making sure parents are engaged and supported so our neighborhoods are strong and thriving. For more than 27 years, CPO has been a catalyst for change, bringing people together to find solutions to our area's greatest challenges. Together, we've focused on making positive impacts through affordable housing and homeless prevention, community and neighborhood development, early childhood and family development, as well as prevention and youth support. CPO is a valued resource for solving issues in Springfield and the surrounding region. Our work matters. The work we do is made possible thanks to your support. When you give to CPO, you have a direct impact on Springfield and Southwest Missouri. Your donation helps us continue to improve the quality of life for everyone, because everyone deserves to live a quality life in the community we all call home.